How to find or recover your YouTube TV password. Your YouTube TV password is linked to your Google account. Since YouTube TV runs entirely through Google, if you've forgotten it or need to change it, here are the updated steps. Part 1. If you forgot your password. Since YouTube TV uses your Google account to sign in, you'll need to recover your Google password. Step 1. Go to Google Account Recovery. Head directly to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. Step 2. Enter your email address. Type the email address or phone number linked to your YouTube TV account, then click Next. Step 3. Follow the recovery steps. Google will guide you through the process. You can enter the last password you remember and click Next, or choose Try Another Way if you can't remember any previous password. Step 4. Verify your identity. Google will confirm your identity through your recovery email or the phone number saved in your security settings. A verification code will be sent to you. Step 5. Create a new password. Once verified, create a new password for your account. You can immediately use it to sign into YouTube TV. Part 2. If you know your password and want to change it. Step 1. Open your Google account settings. Go to myaccount.google.com and sign in with your current email and password. Step 2. Go to the Security section. In the top left of the screen, click on Security and sign in. Step 3. Change your password. Under How you sign in to Google, click Password. You may be asked to sign in again to confirm your identity. Step 4. Enter and save your new password. Type your new password, then click Change Password to save it. You can now use it to sign into YouTube TV right away. Bonus security tip. Consider enabling 2-step verification on your Google account. It automatically applies to YouTube TV as well, giving your account a powerful extra layer of protection. Even if someone gets your password, they still can't access your account without your phone.